Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel. The Dodge Charger is a popular American muscle car known for its bold design, powerful performance, and rich history. Here's a comprehensive overview: history and evolution. 1. First generation, 1966 to 1967. Introduced as a two-door fastback with a powerful V8 engine. Positioned as a mid-sized muscle car with a unique full-length tail light. 2. Second generation, 1968 to 1970. Iconic redesign with a Coke bottle shape and hidden headlights. Popularized in pop culture, e.g., the Dukes of Hazzard with the General Lee. Notable models: Charger R/T and Charger Daytona, with a high rear wing for racing. 3. Third generation, 1971 to 1974. More rounded styling with a split grille. Continued to offer powerful V8 engines but faced emissions restrictions. 4. Fourth to sixth generations, 1975 to 1987. Transitioned to a personal luxury coupe, then a front-wheel drive compact. These versions were less performance-focused and aimed at fuel efficiency. 5. Seventh generation, 2006. Present. Reintroduced as a full-sized, rear-wheel drive sedan. Combines modern technology with retro styling cues. High-performance models include the R/T, SRT8, Scat Pack, and Hellcat. Current models and variants: SXT and GT, equipped with a 3.6L V6 engine, emphasizing comfort and technology. R/T features a 5.7L Hemi V8 for a balanced mix of power and practicality. Scat Pack, powered by a 6.4L Hemi V8, offering 485 horsepower. Hellcat and Hellcat Redeye, supercharged 6.2L Hemi V8 engines, with up to 797 horsepower in the Redeye variant. Jailbreak, customization-focused version of the Hellcat Redeye with enhanced power and unique styling options. Performance and features: powertrain ranges from a V6 to supercharged V8s, with rear-wheel and all-wheel drive options. Transmission, 8-speed automatic transmission. Technology: Uconnect infotainment system, advanced driver assistance features, and customizable digital gauge clusters. Interior: spacious cabin with modern amenities, premium materials, and available performance seats. Special editions and packages. Daytona Edition celebrates racing heritage with unique styling and performance enhancements. Wide Body Package, available on higher trims for improved handling and aggressive aesthetics. 50th Anniversary Edition, commemorates the legacy of the Charger with exclusive features. Competition and market position. Competes with vehicles like the Chevrolet Camaro, Ford Mustang, in spirit, and luxury sports sedans like the BMW 5 Series and Mercedes-Benz E-Class. Known for offering a muscle car experience in a full-sized sedan format. Future outlook. Dodge is transitioning towards electrification with the upcoming Charger Daytona SRT, an electric muscle car inspired by the classic Charger design. Would you like details on a specific model year, comparisons with rivals, or assistance with purchasing options? Thank you for watching my video and subscribe to our channel.